Hello everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn an image into a PNG. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. Step 1. First, search for the website FreePic using your browser. This is a great tool for finding images online. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for whatever image or photo you want. Just type in the keywords related to the image you're looking for and press enter. Scroll through the results and choose the image you want to work with. Click on it to open the full-size version. Step 2. Now that the image is open, look for and click on the Edit button. This will take you to the image editing page where we'll remove the background and prepare the image for download. Step 3. Navigate to the top menu and look for the Remove Background option. Click on it and give it a moment to process. The tool will automatically remove the background, leaving you with just the main subject. Step 4. Once the background is removed, go to the top again and click on the Download icon. A menu will pop up where you can choose the file type. Select PNG. Once everything looks good, click Download. Step 5. The file will be saved to your device, and you can now use it however you like, whether it's for presentations, graphics, or social media posts. Just check your Downloads folder, and your PNG image will be ready to use. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.